Okay, how to make a video responsive. I'm making a site and some videos I've made I've uploaded to YouTube. I put on my site, but on mobile view they are too big and not all of them are in the width. So I've added some CSS here. Style type equals text CSS. You've got to add that sort of header, telling the browser it's going to be a CSS rule. First one, video responsive, hidden padding, and the second rule, height 100%, width 100%, position absolute, left and top. So those are the rules. Let's go down to the iframe. I added a video here, an iframe. There it is, height and width. There it is, the source of YouTube. That was already on, so I've added a div, video responsive, with those CSS rules and more rules for the iframe. They have to be in the head section. I'm in the head section now. There's a start. There's the bottom. So here it is. So if you want to copy that down, if you're doing something similar, style type text CSS, overflow hidden, padding bottom, a percentage of it, position relative, height 0. So it keeps it where it was. That's the div, video responsive. Video responsive iframe. This is for the iframe itself. Left top, height 100%, 100% absolute. So on desktop, it's going to be wider. It's going to be wider than it was, but it will still be a normal percentage. And here it is, the div. So you have to nest it in the div class. You can change the class name as long as it's the same on the CSS rule. So there it is if you want to copy that. And I'll preview it here. Oh, it's taken a while, this. Huh. Okay, on to this page. The video up at the bottom. It's here. Oops. A video I put on 100% of the width with a padding, mind. So mobile view will be the same. Let's check out the mobile view. Can I do that, I wonder? Inspect. On mobile view or tablet, that will be the same now, 100%. A third or a quarter or whatever, as I did. Now, something's happened here. I think it's going to inspect element. There's a big delay. Here we're going on to inspect element. So this will be for iPhone X preview. I right clicked, pressed inspect, but there's some real delay. I'll stop it for a second. Okay, on the inspect element, view if I was on a mobile phone now. So you could percent width instead of overlaying. So you've got the full video in. That's get 5. Pixel 2. And bang. A bit wide, just touch. And there it is. iPad Pro. And again, 100%. So there you are. Show the code. Always going to be the whole width. The whole width is going to be inside, no matter what view. So it's fully responsive now. Let's have a look. That's the CSS code. It's got to be nested inside a div with a class of that or whatever you name it, as long as the CSS rules are the same. And here they are. So if you'd like to copy that down, or freeze it and then copy it all down, works perfectly well, and there it is.